When guests arrive here, they're normally taken by the peacefulness of the lodge.
There we go, come on through. What makes Lapalala special is the sense of a pure wilderness. At the moment we're 48,000 hectares, looking to expand to 55,000 hectares. Very few game viewers and vehicles out here, so quite often there's maybe 1-2 vehicles out on the game reserve. So when we find the lions, we get to spend a lot of time with them. It's like a giant playground, it's amazing.
So we've got 7 suites here at Tintswalo Lapalala. We've got our 2 superior luxury that's furthest from the lodge. The suites also has the outside baths, the outside showers, and it just makes for a very romantic getaway as well. We also have a Causa suite that's absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for families traveling together.
What makes Lapalala again unique is all the activities we offer. The barge is fantastic for those who just want a nice sundowner cruise, relaxing with nature. Our Bushman paintings are well preserved and tell a fantastic story of these majestic ancient artworks.
Describing the feeling of going into the next round.
Because we're completely off the grid, there's no pylons, there's no light pollution, the stars out here are amazing. You can just look up at the heavens and it's just absolutely stunning.
When guests leaves, they really feel part of the family, and I think that's something that Tintswalo really gets right.